Hello, my name's Stephen, and I'm here with my group to talk to you today. Everyone in this room wants to be completely up to date when it comes to computers, don't they? I think so. But before we introduce the future, let's take a little trip down memory lane. We're in 1940, and computers are just getting started. They're about the size of a room, and your calculator today has got more computing ability. Imagine that! To take you all further forward in time, I'm going to hand you to Annabelle.
Hello everyone, I'm Annabelle. Well, we're going to fast forward a bit to the late 50s and early 60s. Things are a bit better, but computers are still quite big. At least they are faster, cheaper, and use less electricity. Now we get to the end of the 60s. By now, computers are smaller, faster, and cheaper. This is the age of the PCs, and for the first time, people can actually carry computers. From the 70s onwards, things really begin to improve. Microchips are the in thing, and now computers have got monitors, keyboards, and a mouse. So what, you say? Believe me, that was a really big deal back then. Now it's time for Barry to tell you all about our latest model.
Hi, I'm Barry, and I want to introduce you all to the Sklavus-1. It's the computer that does whatever you tell it to. Throw your laptops away, and if you've got a PC, get rid of your mouse and keyboard. Sklavus-1 will do it all if you give it the right command. Just think, you don't need to sit at your desk anymore because you can do other things while you let Sklavus-1 take care of all your emails and organizing. If you tell it to, Sklavus-1 will even check your messages on social media and reply to them for you, as well as sending pictures and videos. Once you've lived with Sklavus-1 for a day, you will never want to use any other computer. We'd like to finish by thanking you all for your time, and we really hope we've inspired you all with the introduction of Sklavus-1. As Walt Disney, an inspiration for generations of children, once said, "We keep moving forward, opening new doors and doing new things because we're curious, and curiosity keeps leading us down new paths."